Hello everyone, today I'll explain how to assemble a 4-stroke piston. Follow me. Once the engine block is removed, remove the valve timing system and then remove the cylinder head. Remove the head gasket and the centering bushings. Remove the timing chain guide and then the cylinder. After that, remove the base gasket with its centering bushings. After the cylinder has been pulled out, remove the clips and cover the crankcase opening. Then slide out the piston pin. Now we can prepare the new Athena piston for the assembly. So, let's prepare the piston. First, we install the left clip and then the piston rings. Once we've prepared the piston, we'll lubricate it and place it in the engine block. Make sure the piston is positioned with the arrow facing the exhaust side. Once the piston pin is inserted, close the other clip. After that, check that the clips are positioned correctly in place, as well as the piston rings. Now remove the paper from the crankcase opening and then install the centering pins and the base gasket. Lubricate the cylinder and then compress the rings in order to insert the piston. Then remove the excess oil. Now insert the centering bushings on the cylinder. Then insert the chain tensioner pad and a new head gasket. Next, insert the head. At this point, tighten the head and reassemble the valve timing system following the instructions in the manual.